Hi guys, welcome back to my channel. So in today's video I'll be doing a hair coloring. Okay, so let's start the coloring process. So I'm trying to get a blonde color, and the product I'll be using is the Creme of Nature Moisture Rich Hair Color, and it's in the color C42. It's a light golden blonde, and at the end his hair should look something like this. Forgot to mention it's ammonia free and it's one application. It comes with a 30 cream developer, ammonia free colorant. It comes with a shea butter conditioner and instruction manual, and I assume there's gloves inside, and a high lift booster. I've never used a booster before, so definitely have to read the manual. Okay, so according to the instruction I have to mix all three together: the booster, the cream developer, and the colorant. I might be using a half of each. Let's see how that goes. Now I'm just going to section the hair into two sections so that it's easier for me to apply the dye to the end, and so that it doesn't leak onto any part of the hair that I don't want to be colored. So for today, I'm only applying the dye to the ends of its locks, and maybe sometime in the future I'll go further to the roots. And just give you a little update on this lock journey. So he had started off with mini twists. I think he started about 6 months ago, and then 3 months ago we did a lock combination because he wanted his locks to be thicker, and I'll insert some pictures above. I'm gonna do the same thing to the other side and cover with foil paper. As you can see, I'm pressing in the dye into the strands of the hair. This will allow all the strands to be covered with dye, and the end result will not be patches of black in between each strand of his locks. Now I'm gonna let the dye process for about 25 minutes. So it's been 35 minutes. Let me see. Okay. So his hair has been shampooed and conditioned. I used the Herbal Essence Hello Hydration Conditioner and shampoo, and the Creme of Nature Shea Butter conditioner that came in the package. And I left it on his hair for about, how long? About 20 minutes. And I'm just gonna add some oils start off with some castor oil. Some tea tree oil. Adding the tea tree oil mostly to the ends so that can help to prevent any breakage or damage. And last, some jojoba oil. Okay guys, so this is the final look. The color came out great. Hope you guys like this video. Please remember to share, subscribe, and give this video a thumbs up. And until next time, ciao!